So what we doing today?
We are making some dip, some happy cow dip. This is a Belizean dip. You will always find this at any party that there is. Actually, any gathering there is always chips and dips, specifically this dip. And what I have here is the Happy Cow cheese. I want to say a big thank you to my cousin Lizette that brought this Happy Cow cheese for me all the way from Belize. So thumbs up. Love you, cuz.
Thank you.
Because I've been craving some Belizean Happy Cow dip. So finally got it. So I'm sharing it with you guys. So I have a pound of Happy Cow cheese and I put it into cubes and I'm going to put that into the blender. This is something very simple, quick and easy that you can do. And I'm going to put some salsa casera, because salsa casera is the thing to do, you know, like the thing to add. It's just
what do you mean
Happy Cow cheese, salsa casera, because see, over here we have it in these glass jars, right? But in Belize they have it in cans. So usually you would just get like 1 or 2 cans and put that with your Happy Cow cheese and a can of evaporated milk, or how much evaporated milk you want to put. It's always based on how thick you want it or how thin you want it, your preference. So I'm just putting like
okay.
Maine.
See, I gave you
fighting
some.
With me.
I gave you, when I went like this, you didn't see it, but there was a ray of energy that shot over it. That's why I did that.
Yeah, you boost me up.
So yeah, so exactly, like if somebody's at home struggling trying to make what they're making look like what you're making, can you help them out with the amount of this that you just put in there?
So a can of salsa is approximately closer to 3/4 cup. So you could put like a cup, like a measuring cup. I was going to measure it for you guys, but then I completely like lost track of that because I'm so excited about the dip. I've been waiting for this cheese to come so I can make dip. So I'm super like excited, like super excited. And then this here, I have half a can of evaporated milk, so I'm just going to add that. And I got an extra one here in case I need to add some, like a bit more. So I'm going to blend this. So you can add pepper to it if you want it spicy. I don't eat pepper. My hubby does eat pepper though. So if he wants to add pepper to it, you would add jalapeno. Okay, so there's a scale, right? If you want a little hint of spice, you add just a little bit of the juice from the jalapeno. If you want a little bang, you add like 1 or 2 jalapeno. Now, if you want it extremely spicy, you add a habanero. Now, that's on you. I did not say to add habanero. I did not say to add pepper, because your belly and your butt will cry later.
Just go ahead and drop the habanero in there. You be alright. Just drop it in there.
No, don't advise that. You know, if you can handle the pepper, you handle the pepper.
It's the
if
seed.
You can't, you don't.
You got seeds, right?
Yeah.
It's the seed that you don't want in there. Don't put the seed in there. You put the seed in there. Yeah. Just put the juice in there or the skin. But you would get the seed in there, abort mission. Because you're going to be struggling.
So this is the thickness right now. If you want it thinner than this, then you go ahead and add some more evaporated milk. I don't like it that thick because then I feel like I eat out too much of the dip faster that way, and it's not spread entirely onto my chips. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my second can, well, my other can, because I had half can in there. So I'm going to just add a little bit more and then see where that takes me. Now I'm gonna check the thickness of it again and see if I like the Now that's better. Now that's how I like it. You know? Like it's nice and cheesy, but it's thick, but not too thick, and it's not too thin either. Now I feel like my dip will definitely last a little bit longer. Because, you know, having them bring Happy Cow cheese is not every time you're gonna have Happy Cow cheese. So you gotta savor it. You gotta pinch it, pinch it. So this is the dip that I got. I'm gonna put aside a little bit, a cachito for my brother, because he gonna see me make dip and then he'll gonna be like, yo, where my shear at? And I don't want him come hunting for it, because whatever he finds in the fridge, he's gonna try to take. So put aside a little bit for him. So here you go. You want a bite? Come and get it. Because I know I'm taking one. Because I have been waiting for a long time to have some Belizean Happy Cow chips and dip. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.
Cut.